Hey, my name is Zach, and I wanted to show you how to delete a selection in Photoshop. So I'm here on my computer and I have the Move tool selected. Now I'm going to go to the Magic Wand tool, and all I have to do is actually click to select something. Now I can hit Shift and click again, and it'll actually copy right around my subject. All I have to do to get that to delete is hit the Delete button. It's going to ask me how it wants me to fill it, and we'll just say background color, that's fine, and say OK. Now he has white behind him. I'm going to take the Magic Eraser tool, which is underneath the Eraser tool, and just erase this white. Now I'll hit the Move tool and Control D to deselect. And now our subject is cut out from his background. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to delete a selection in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.